suitcase, trying to find a warm place to spend the night. A heavy rain is falling, seems I hear your voice calling, it's alright. Rainy night in Georgia, rainy night in Georgia. I believe it's raining all over the world. I believe it's raining all over the world. Neon signs are flashing, taxi cabs and buses passing through the night. The distant moan of a train seems to play a sad refrain to the night. Rainy night in Georgia, it's raining all over the world. Seems like it's raining all over the world. How many times I wondered, and it still comes out the same. No matter how you look at it or make it, it's life, and you just gotta play the game. I'll find me a place in a boxcar, so I take out this old guitar and pack some time. Late at night when it's hard to rest, I'll hold your picture to my chest and I'm alright. Rainy night in Georgia, rainy night in Georgia. I believe it's raining all over the world. It's raining all over the world. I believe it's raining all over the world. It's raining on me.
Rainy Night in Georgia. It's a 32 counts, 4 more intermediate level line dance, starting with the right foot. Section 1, weight is on the left. Cross, scissor step, full turn left side, quarter half, quarter side stepping right foot. Behind side cross with pin right, cross side. Section 2, 1/8 right turn facing 130, back on right. Back, 1/8 side, cross rock. Step back left. 1/8 right turn facing 3 o'clock, step right to right side, left. Cross rock, recover, ball cross. Sway, left, right. Left, 4 rock, recover. Section 3, quarter left turn facing 12, lunge. Full turn right side, quarter half, quarter stepping right to right side. Press, recover, sweep, 1/8 sailor turn. Press left, recover, sweeping left, 1/8 left, sailor step, facing 1030. Quarter turn right, cross shuffle, traveling towards 1030. Quarter right turn, facing 130, cross shuffle, traveling towards 1030. Section 4, 7/8 curve turn, sweep. 3/8 left for left foot. Quarter left, cross right. Quarter left step for left, sweeping right. Cross, touch left toe behind, step back on left, kick right forward, side cross. Scissor step, side together cross. The cross step is the first step of the next wall. Let's count. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 is the first step of the next wall. In this dance, during wall 6, there's a restart after 16 counts with step change. I'm facing 12 now. Wall 6 starts facing the 3 o'clock wall. 16 counts. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, instead of forward rock, an extra sway to the left on count 8. And then we start the dance facing 6 o'clock wall. Cross,